Introduction to Secure File Sharing over Remote Desktop.
Remote desktop connections make it possible to access another computer from anywhere. When sharing files during these sessions, maintaining security is crucial to protect your data. This guide explores practical methods to transfer files safely when using remote desktop tools, helping you avoid common risks such as data interception or unauthorized access.
Using built-in file transfer features.
Most remote desktop applications, such as Microsoft Remote Desktop or TeamViewer, have built-in file transfer capabilities. These features typically allow you to drag and drop or copy and paste files between local and remote machines. To ensure security, always check that your remote session is encrypted and use strong passwords for your remote desktop connections.
Transferring files with secure protocols.
For sensitive files, consider using secure protocols like SFTP or FTPS. These file transfer methods encrypt your data during transmission, reducing the risk of interception. Install a secure file transfer client. Connect to your remote device using your credentials, and always verify the identity of the device you're connecting to before transferring files.
Protecting sensitive data in transit.
Always avoid sending sensitive files over unsecured networks. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your entire connection, adding an extra layer of security on top of remote desktop tools. Make sure both local and remote systems run updated security software to minimize vulnerabilities while transferring files.
Tips for maintaining file transfer security.
After transferring files, delete them if they're no longer needed and log out of all remote sessions. Regularly update your remote desktop and security applications. Never share access credentials, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for remote logins to prevent unauthorized access to your devices and files.
Summary: Secure file sharing practices.
By using secure file transfer features, encrypted protocols, and strong security practices, you can safely share files during any remote desktop session. Stay vigilant and keep your software up to date. Practicing these steps will help protect your data and keep your remote work secure.